all the stars, steals from the night sky.
Never enough.
But how cute is this dress? So I finally finished my makeup. Aussie?
Yeah, nice.
Guys, if we get 1,000 likes on this vlog, Aussie will shave his whole beard.
100%.
This would not be the Aussie you guys would see if Panthers lost. Oh my gosh, he would have the biggest attitude.
No, next time.
Maybe next time, little baby. Sorry, I said mouth.
Sorry.
I honestly struggle so much with putting on lashes.
It's natural look. Oh.
You better like this video. You better like this video.
Hey guys, you guys. What the heck?
Hey, crazy guys.
What? Why aren't you focusing?
Oh.
Hey guys, it's a Friday and I'm having Greek yogurt with some strawberries and frozen blueberries, organic strawberries. But Aussie over here, I don't know why he has glasses in the house like it's sunny.
Very sunny, baby.
You shut up.
So sunny in me.
So we're about to head out to
We are about to head out before we head in.
we're about to head out to the natural store.
Darling, without you.
This guy, it's just too much. Too much.
All the time.
The thousand starlights, all the stars, steals from the night sky will never be enough for me.
Never, never.
Sing it, baby.
Never, never, never enough. Never, never.
Ew.
Never enough for me.
Okay, babe, I'm gonna get copyrighted. Turn it off. Aussie, already in summer, eh? Already in summer.
It feels like summer now because it's too hot. So yeah, it's nice weather, warm.
Weather.
It's nice
Weather
weather.
this, weather that, weather whoop, weather whoop.
Nice weather.
It's not weather, babe.
What?
Weather.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Weather.
Is that your accent?
This is my accent. It's nice weather, so it's nice and warm.
Oh.
It's so beautiful outside.
Aussie's loving the Greatest Showman song. Towers of gold is still too little. Aussie, that was so rude. Get up. Guys, I just had a shower. Oh wait, no, this is a different vlog. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. So I just had some breakfast. I had yogurt with some strawberries and I cooked some soup. I'm gonna take some over to mum and dad's. This is mine. It's just heating up, cooling down. It's very, very, very hot. But it's all kinds of veggies in there. Yummy, yummy, yummy. This is the pot, the big, I can't even talk today, like the pressure cooker that I cooked it in. And then this is the pot that I'm taking to mum and dad's. So I'm gonna pack some snacks because, hey? Oh, baby. Oh, daddy.
What's up? It's your boy Joe.
What is this, Cummy? It's an Elwood, I'm pretty sure. Or what's this? Is this Elwood or something? Show me.
He's a Mr. Gal.
R.M. Williams, what? So I'm just packing a little bit of snacks. You know, just in case we feel a little bit peckish. And I got two little picky nickies. Because when it first broke out in Canberra, there were like 9-hour waits. And even then you were like, you just couldn't. And you know, we're just not trying to be peckish. We're not trying to starve and then have to lose our place in the line. So, and I've got a big boy to feed, you know, so. And I'll also get a water bottle as well. So this is our little lunchbox. We might not even need it. I just checked the ACT government website and it did say that it was a minimal weight. That was about an hour ago, so anything could change really. But it's better to go prepared than unprepared because your girl gets hungry quite often. But it feels good to be back, guys. It actually feels good to finally be back. Hello.
Forward testing?
Yeah.
Just turn left and follow the sign, please.
Okay, thank you. How you feeling, Oz?
Feeling good, baby.
Can you stretch your mask? It's annoying me. Then follow the signs.
Follow the sign, baby.
Just follow the cones, babe. There's nothing here. You can't even go wrong here.
What
Slow
is
down.
too much line?
Because what if there's a build-up of cars? How are you going to treat it? They need to...
Just go.
Oh,
home
shush,
and then
babe.
come back.
We literally just pulled up and I'm already feeling peckish. So, what do we have in our little lunchbox, Aussie? You want a nana?
I feel bad, just a bit mean.
Whatever.
I'm ready. And we already eat our lunch boxes. So should be eating at home, girl. I'll do my chest first. I'm not a demon, rose on the star. Si mamma ye pingil up chest le shuale la e lua mere la ye. Ole A plus, male A minus.
We'll be back when there's more progress because it doesn't seem to be moving at all. This is so nerve-wracking. I feel so nervous. Are you nervous?
Just
We're progressing further. Are you a bit nervous, Oss? Wait, hold on. You're too dark. You nervous, Ossie?
no. Why are you nervous for?
I don't know. We've never done this before.
Oh, I'm not nervous. I'm gonna say call this thing. Here we go again.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go again.
Welcome to paradise. Not. Are these masks clean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep, so you don't need any?
No, thank you.
That's just some information.
Guys, so we just left. I was holding my phone so I couldn't hold you guys. Ossie's feeling okay. It was pretty funny. She like swabbed his throat and then stuck it up his nose. That was so funny to see.
That's a kayak girl who comes to mind.
Why?
I want someone to make the funny video, but that's the old lady.
So?
There's no nice to do that to the old lady.
Oh, were you trying to do like, oh?
Yeah.
Morning, guys and gals. So, I just woke up not long ago. It's like almost 1 o'clock p.m. And because I was on call, I was expecting the call, but they said that they were going to call at 11 p.m. They ended up calling at 3. Oh, and I was so tired because I stayed up until like 1 waiting for the call, and then I ended up falling asleep, and then they called at 3. I was like, really? And also I had the worst migraine, like the worst migraine, and like my right eye was paining so bad. Aussie was, you know, at my every beck and call, which I appreciate him for. Thank you. He hates when I get sick because I'm so dramatic. But anyways, this dress is from Shein. I'm gonna try and get my Shein haul done today. I got my package last week and, oh no, this week. But I absolutely love this dress. So I've got my packages. But how cute is this dress? One thing I can't stand about myself is my knees. Like, I don't know, they just not the biz, but yo. I do apologize about the last vlog that we posted up. It was like hella boring, but I just think if I'm gonna spend so much time vlogging, it's gonna be a waste if I just delete it. So whatever we film goes up.
Sup?
Aussie's just cutting his hair.
Just cutting my hair.
We're planning to do a mukbang today.
Yeah, we're gonna do a mukbang today, guys.
We're gonna do broad burgers, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna do broad burgers. I've also posted on my Instagram. Gotta go follow me on Instagram and Siaosi. But I posted a questionnaire for a Q&A. We haven't done a Q&A in like 4 years. Crazy, right? So I'm gonna go get ready. Probably try and straighten my hair. Look decent. And I'll be back. Maybe have some breakfast too. I haven't eaten since like dinner. Which isn't that long ago. But it was about 18 hours ago. So that's my intermittent fasting window done. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm rushing. Rushing. My cheeks are a little bit, it's such a busy day. I've got my Shein haul to do. I've got all my clothes down there. I've also got a mukbang to film with Aussie. So I've got to get my makeup done. I've just straightened, curled my hair. Let's go. What?
What are you doing?
Stop having a cry, you big baby. So I finally finished my makeup. I kind of overdrew my lips. I've already got plump lips. But I kind of dig this. Like, I like this. Let me know what you guys think. The Panthers versus Melbourne game's on. Aussie's going a little bit crazy. Aussie?
Yeah, nice.
Oh. Aussie has a little attitude every time he watches rugby.
You do your makeup all day. It was 4 hours shooting my makeup.
No, because I had to straighten my hair and curl it. See? We just finished watching the game. Panthers are going to the grand final, which Aussie is pretty happy about. Aussie?
Very happy. Panther is going to the grand final. So
So we're about to
I'm
go.
telling you guys, this year, Panther's gonna win the whole season.
We'll see. Bunnies are gonna step it up as well, I'm sure. But we're about to go and get some food. We're meant to be doing a mukbang tonight, but Aussie wants to watch rugby, so I'm just gonna do a mukbang on my own. And then tomorrow we'll film another mukbang together. So we've been waiting for about an hour. I ordered it. I should have ordered it from home, but I didn't. We still have to wait 17 minutes, and then we gotta go and pick up some onion rings because I also want to eat onion rings for my mukbang. Because I'm going to do a mukbang tonight. No, not for my channel, for the joint.
So tomorrow, we're gonna do another mukbang, guys.
Yeah.
So a big mukbang tomorrow.
And we're also looking at doing some challenges as well. I just got to think of some.
We're gonna back on the track, guys.
Yeah, we definitely got to get back on track.
100% support for this team. This is a good team, you know, guys. And look, 100%. 100%.
This would not be the Aussie you guys would see if Panthers lost. Oh my gosh, he would have the biggest attitude. No. This guy has the worst attitude when it comes to like his team's losing.
No.
Like you cannot even talk to him. He'll be like the biggest craphead ever.
No.
He's just really rude.
It's not like, don't say that.
He just gets really rude and snappy.
Nah.
And snappy. You do, babe.
I want the ref and the bunker to make their calls like their calls right, not just go for their team, but make it right. I put this story of mine on Instagram.
He's gonna get so much hate for this.
And people don't. If you go for Melbourne, don't be mad at me. You know, just my own opinion.
Hurry up! Just click your.
Next time.
Maybe next time, little baby. Sorry, I said meow.
Sorry, I said meow.
Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry. We haven't eaten all day. We were holding out for this mukbang. Now Aussie wants to watch the rugby. So I was like, no, I'm still gonna, like, we've ordered the food. So I still want to make use of it.
If you have more questions for us, just send it to us. So we're gonna do a Q&A for you guys. Stay tuned, guys, for more video coming up. We're gonna focus on this.
Was that our food?
Focus on this, yeah. Peace.
13 minutes. Oh my gosh, come on, brody. So dang long. Guys, I just did my mukbang. Whoa. I did broad burgers. I did not finish my food. I know. I am just too full. There's just too much food. Let's go see what he's doing. Aussie?
Oh.
I finished. Do you want my burger?
No.
You didn't even want yours, did you? Did you eat yours? I'm talking to you.
No, my corn.
You didn't eat it? Yes, you did.
Yeah.
Aussie did not even finish his burgers, and he's definitely not going to finish mine. I don't want to waste my money. She's probably on the phone to her man.
Whoa, girl!
Ew.
Ew, why are you showing me on your camera?
I just did my mukbang. No, I didn't, but I'm not even going to finish it, and Aussie won't eat it.
Well, don't be calling me a rubbish girl, because I did not gonna come and eat that. I already just made my own. Okay?
You're not my rubbish girl.
I know you'll be like, oh, like a leftovers, my girl, please. Shove it in your big lips and your mouth.
Morning, guys. Woke up not long ago, got dressed. I did wear this yesterday, but then I changed, so I'm wearing it again today, and then I might change again because we got another mukbang. I am just about to do my face. Also, he wants me to shave his hair. Like,
I want you to shave at the back here. Look, I got my hair and it looked nice, guys. So, yeah. But I just want to go down here. And I already shaved my beard.
oh my gosh, I didn't even notice.
It looks so clean and nice. Sexy boy.
I want you to shave it all off.
No. You reckon, guys, you can shave it all?
Guys, if we get 1,000 likes on this vlog, no, Aussie, you have to actually agree to it.
No.
No, you have to.
I'm not agreed for it.
Fine then, 1,500.
No.
No, because we don't even get 1,500 likes.
No. There is no point for me to 1,500.
Guys, if we get 1,500 likes on this vlog,
You can shave your hair bald.
Aussie will shave his whole beard. I'm only saying it because it's like, I don't think we will get 1,500. We usually like get around 500 to, anywhere from 500 to 1,000. 1,500, Aussie? Within
There's no deal for me. No
within
deal.
a 2-week period of it going up.
No deal for me.
Don't be a party pooper. Guys, is it blurry? Finally ready now. I'm wearing another piece from my try on Shein haul. I have not done my video yet.
What's up? It's your boy Joti.
I don't know if it's cold or not. Let's check the weather.
Yeah.
What's the weather today? Mostly sunny, but it's 14. That's still kind of cold. So we're about to go and get some food to do our mukbang. We're still not sure what we're gonna eat. Maybe a Portos. We really don't have time to make our own food. Just because, you know, who's got time to do that? Is this focused? I honestly don't know.
What's
I
up,
honestly
guys? It's your boy
struggle-
Joti.
Yeah, that's better. It's focusing now. I honestly struggle so much with putting on lashes, but let's check out our fit today. So this is my piece. By the time you're watching this, I would have done my Shein haul. So check it out. Check out which one I got, how much it was. I love this one. I love that it comes under the bust, which for bigger girls is good because it like tightens everything up, and then any, you know, excess is covered by the flare.
It's your boy Joti over here. You like my haircut?
Yeah. That's better. That's much better. Still not barber quality, but it's still so much better. Guys, we're finally home. We did our mukbang and then we went somewhere. Can't tell ya. But we're finally home. I'm about to get into some comfy clothes.
What's up, guys?
Oh, the battery's flashing.
What's up? We're finally at home, guys. So hope you guys enjoy the mukbang. We're gonna upload it for you guys, and
Yeah, we're not sure which one's coming first, but stay tuned. We've got so much content building up for you guys. Stay tuned. I can't remember what the secret word was. Before we go off, we're gonna do something that we haven't done in a long time. Comment of the day, y'all. I haven't done Noti Gang in months.
not
man.
again. And
Noti
we are
Gang,
back,
Noti
back,
Gang.
back.
I think I used to say if you came within an hour of watching it, you were considered naughty gang. Okay, man.
Make some coffee for the night. It's bit chilly now, guys. Need some coffee.
I'm going to do my comment of the day now. So my comment of the day goes to Yo Daddy. Yo Daddy, baby.
Yo Daddy.
They also just taught me a valuable lesson about a good mind.
Yeah,
lol,
Daddy.
I've been in this situation before and I failed by siding with my missus, which added for fuel to the fire. So thank you guys. Fussy Totsai, hashtag green. Thank you so much for everyone who commented green. It just goes to show that a lot of you guys watched till the end, which was nice to know. Aussie, who do you pick?
Some people start letter T. Can you find letter T in that comment?
Oh, yeah, I found one.
Who?
Tracy Yoramo.
Oh.
Good to see you both again. My question is, how would you handle nosy neighbors? I'm usually good at ignoring, not succeeding. I feel like I'm being watched constantly, or am I paranoid? Don't think I am. Take care, SNV.
You can handle, girl. You can handle it. Don't care about neighbors.
And then there's a
Care about yourself.
thank you so much, Tracy. Thank you to my notification gang, the people who are always so quick. So quick.
Keep comment, guys.
So thank you to you all. I'm
And
going to take
we'll
off one
speak to you
eyelash.
Next video.
Ow. Dude, I look weird. What the heck? I look
Like
so weird.
Poor eyelashes.
Hey?
Poor eyelashes.
Aussie. Oh, what the heck? No, it was not even focused. Are you joking me? What do you think about my eye?
You look like Terminator right now.
Terminator?
Yeah.
Are you actually stupid? Are you actually stupid?
You look like a bald eye here. Here. And beautiful eye here.
Babe, this is my natural. It's always beautiful.
This natural look. Oh, you look like a natural.
SV Squad is signing out, guys. Good night. Bye.
See you later, alligator.
In a while, crocodile.
Yeah.
You better like this video. You better like this video.